All right, so we're obviously gonna go ahead and grab, how many of them are we using?
20 pages.
20 pages? All right, cool. So obviously, just make a note, sign, highlight. As a matter of fact, just write something on it, obviously showing that the information was deleted. And the other ones. What's up, guys? It's Jay Lobos coming back to you on another episode, and obviously I'm over here in my processing department, talking to my processor with regards to the next strategy of what exactly we're doing. As of right now, we actually have a client, and this client, we've had a lot of success on some of the accounts, but some of them we have not. We haven't been able to break through in a sense that, keep this in mind, you have 3 agencies, all 3 agencies are all separate. So, but every strategy has to be different. And one of the things that actually makes a difference when you're actually sending out correspondence compared to when you're doing a dispute online is that when you use correspondence, you could use it as supporting documentation. We actually have about 20 pages that are going to be in an envelope that are going to be sent out to the agencies. And guess what? As supporting documentation, highlighting the discrepancies and the deletions that we had on Equifax or TransUnion, because on Experian, it's still being stubborn. You can't get that same type of result, or you can't even input all that information because you're going to be limited by the amount of characters and the kind of information or how big the document is. So it really does make a difference when you send things out, either mail or return receipt, certified mail, or in this particular case, you're putting a comprehensive letter with additional documentation. So for you guys out there checking out the channel, again, like, subscribe, comment, and share this, because if you guys are obviously considering credit repair, or you're maybe doing it yourself, use these tips and tricks so that you can improve the success rate. Or if you guys need any help or questions, feel free to contact us here at BuildWord Strategies. Thank you so much.